If you've ever been liquidated on Bybit, even with a stop loss, this video will save you money. I'll show you the exact mistakes causing liquidation and how to trade safely on Bybit Futures Trading. Pay detailed attention, guys. Do not go anywhere. Stick to the very end of this video so that you catch everything I'm about to show you. This will save you from losing money. Now, most people blame Bybit, whereas the real problem is what? Leverage and position size with margin. Liquidation is not bad luck. All right, liquidation is just a function of you not knowing exactly what you are doing. So this is the reason why I'm making this video for you. Right? You get it? So what is liquidation, first of all? Liquidation happens when your account protection is totally gone. Right? When your account protection is gone, meaning when everything you have in your account is wiped off. All right? And it also means that your margin cannot support the trade. It is not your stop loss, your margin, how much you are using towards sustain your trade. It is wiped off. That is called liquidation. Everything in your account is gone. All right? Now, the first mistake that a lot of traders make that is very, very obvious is using too much leverage. Don't worry, in the course of teaching you this particular series, I'm going to show you how to overcome this particular liquidation issue. Now, one of the mistakes that people make is using too much leverage. Yes, this is where most people get wiped off. Beginners should use 3 to 5x what? Max leverage. Higher leverage is equals to tighter liquidation price. 10x is most like gambling if you are not skilled. Right? It is seen as though you are gambling. Now, a lot of you would also ask, what is cross margin and isolated margin, and how do we differentiate them? How do we apply them? How do we actually, go into a trade using them? Now, I will tell you for free, right, that using cross and isolated is not also a big issue. It is not a problem. It is the margin that is usually the problem. Now, if you have, let's say, $100 and you want to take 2 trades, right? All you have to do, you can use a very high leverage and small margin, small margin to what? Enter that trade when you are using cross. Meaning that every position you have or you enter, that $100 will sustain the positions as long as there are small margins used. So your account size is $100, right? Let me reiterate it. Your account size is $100. You want to enter 2 trades using cross margin mode. You can use your high leverage of 20x. It doesn't matter, but use very small amount like $5. Don't go above $5 even. Then use a tight stop loss so that $100 can be able to maintain the position of those trades. Whereas on isolated, it means that every trade you enter, it is isolated from your margin. Using the same $100, for example, right? You have $100 in your account and you want to enter 2 trades. You can risk $10 per trade using your, what do you call it now, your leverage. Let's say 5x leverage, but don't go too high on your leverage because you are on isolated mode. The reason is because when you are on isolated mode, a higher leverage quickens your liquidation price. So when you're on isolated, always use small leverage when you are using a small account. Play this video as many times as possible so that you get the gist very, very clearly. Now, I'm going to show you how to enter a trade in this video, so just stick around. I'm with you, and trust me, I'm with you for real. Now, another mistake is using cross margin mode incorrectly. I've talked about that. And how to set your stop loss, right? How to set your stop loss. That is another very big issue. So right now, Right now, I'm just going to show you the common liquidation myths that are usually very common when you are trading. It's usually that high leverage is equals to more profit. That is wrong. It's not true. Stop loss guarantees safety. That is not true, right? Liquidation is unavoidable. That is also not true, right? Now, so how do you enter a trade? That is very, very important. This is rare. I gave this signal on my Telegram channel. I gave this particular signal on my Telegram channel, and I'm going to show you right now. Can you see? I gave this. This is a sell signal I gave, and it's already running into profit, right? I took this trade with one of my other accounts. So I'm going to show you how you can enter a trade like this. Let's say, for example, you want to sell this trade at market price. All you have to do now is come here, use the amount of portfolio you want to use, click on TP/SL, click on short, put your stop loss here, put your take profit price, and then just click on confirm. Click on confirm here. Right, just click on confirm. The moment you do that, automatically you must have entered the trade. I'm going to make another video practically showing you how I enter trades and how I actually manage my trades. Now, my personal risk rule, right? I never risk more than 1% per trade, and I never use above 20x, right? That's how I've avoided liquidation over years, right? So you also can do this and see how helpful it will be for you. If this helped you avoid liquidation, like the video and subscribe for more Bybit Futures guides without hype. This is no hype. This is real content, real videos, practical for you to understand what exactly is going on. Comment Bybit Futures on the comment section if you want Bybit Futures series henceforth, and I'm going to actually make those particular setups for you so that you can avoid liquidation and hit profitability in the coming new year. This is MJ Crypto. Cheers for watching. Thanks. Share this video, like it, subscribe, turn on your post notification. Most importantly, and don't forget, stay out there, stay safe. One love.